Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn with Ella and James YouTube channel, your go-to place for everything Canva and digital design. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add clickable links in Canva, step by step. Whether you're working on a PDF, a digital planner, or even an interactive presentation, adding clickable links can make your designs more engaging and functional. So let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. I'll be using a banner design for this demonstration where I'll show you how to add hyperlinks to different elements. Now click on the design element where you want to add a clickable link. You can add links to text, elements, or even images to make your content more interactive. Let me show you how. Start by selecting the text, image, or button you want to hyperlink. For example, I'm going to hyperlink these buttons. I'll select the button text I want to link. You'll know the element is selected when you see a blue border around it. Once the text or element is selected, right-click and look for the link option with the chain icon, or use shortcut key Ctrl+K for Windows and Command+K for Mac. Click on that. A pop-up box will appear where you can enter the URL. Next, simply type or paste the URL you want to link to. Make sure it's a valid link. In my case, I'll copy the link and paste it here. Then, click Done. You'll notice that an underline is automatically added to the hyperlinked text. If you don't want the underline, select the text again. Go to the top toolbar and deselect the underline option. Now it's all set. Although the text is now linked, the button background itself isn't linked. So if someone clicks around the text, they won't be redirected. Let's fix that by linking the entire button area. I'll follow the same process to link all the buttons in this banner. If you want people to follow you through your banner, you can also add clickable social media links. The process is the same. Just right-click the text or social media icon, select link, and paste your URL. Finally, I'll also hyperlink this image to my website's homepage. Again, the steps are the same. Right-click the image, select link, paste the URL, and hit Done. As you can see, I've successfully added clickable links to various elements across my entire banner. Once you've added your links, it's crucial to test them. To do this, click on the Preview button in the top right corner of the Canva screen. In Preview mode, click each link to ensure it directs to the correct web page. It's working perfectly. When you're happy with the design, click Share and select Download. Make sure to choose either the PDF or presentation format, as these formats support clickable links. After downloading, open the file to check that the links work properly. And that's it. You now know how to add clickable links in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on digital design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.